This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Matthew Delcombri. Beautifully restored historic home on 1 acre in Youngsville, no flood zone. Step into timeless elegance with this fully restored 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom historic home nestled on a sprawling 1-acre lot in the heart of Youngsville. Boasting 2,100 square feet of completely updated living space, this property blends classic charm with modern convenience, and best of all, it sits in a no-flood zone. Every inch of this home has been meticulously upgraded, brand new electrical, plumbing, septic system, HVAC, appliances, and more, offering the benefits of a new build wrapped in the character of a historical treasure. One of the standout features is the original solid wood floors, carefully recaptured and beautifully refinished to showcase their natural warmth and character. Enjoy spacious living areas, a modern kitchen with all new fixtures and appliances, and large bedrooms filled with light and comfort. Outside, the acre of land offers room to roam, garden, entertain, or simply enjoy the peace of your private retreat. This is more than a home, it's a rare opportunity to own a piece of